Alright guys, so today we are going to head into Asheville Vehicle Outfitters. It's about just a few miles from my house, where they do all kinds of really cool stuff with Rhino Rack, Alley Cab, Red Arc, Power Systems, all kinds of stuff. There are some amazing rigs here, albeit very expensive rigs, but there's some new equipment and things like that as well. So yeah, stay tuned. You guys might know this rig. It's an old man, old truck. For any of you guys who don't think that Jeep guys and Toyota guys can get together, well, I guess the overland community kind of proves that right and wrong all at the same time. Particularly here today, there are quite a few Gladiators Jeep builds. There are a lot of Toyotas as well.